Hello and welcome back. This is just a quick update about how my bespoke tabletop cabinet is coming on. This is where we left it at the end of the last video. A very basic wooden frame, but it all works and I really like it. It's all coming together. So today I'll talk through how I am decorating it. Now, my game Squirrel Falls for the Game Boy is going to be released later on this year, and it's forest themed. So I fired up my laser cutting software and put together a few basic shapes, basic oak leaf shapes, basic acorn shapes, and got to work cutting them out. Don't forget, kids, always wear eye protection because it makes you look cool. Anyway, we started laser cutting just a few just to see how they turn out. Wasn't certain about what size I wanted, so I just went with about this size, and they actually look really good. The big ones, the big leaves, look really cool. I think they'll make really good pin badges as well. Took it outside, gave them a good spraying. You can still see the veins and the outlines that I etched in through the spray paint, but to make them more clearer, I just attacked it with a Sharpie. Fixed the larger leaves to the outside of the frame, and this is how it looked. I wanted to sort of hide some of the hard edges of the wooden frame going around the screen, and I think this does it really well. Added some lettering. Really easy to do. You just trace letters in the software and out it pops the laser cutter. Popped it along the top. I'm ignoring whether to have this lit up, but it is what it is. It looks really nice. More oak leaves. Crikey, I've gone through so many oak leaves lately. These ones are slightly smaller, and then we do some more smaller ones still. Both got the same treatment, spray paint, and then a black Sharpie outline, and the varying sizes all together, I think they look even better. So this project's just getting better and better. Fitted them to the frame and spray painted the acorns with sort of like a metallic black spray paint as well, and I think they look really nice. It does look really nice, and it's all starting to come together. Like I said, wanted to hide those sharp, hard edges around the frame and sort of have the game, have those oak leaves overlapping the game on the screen without obstructing it in any way. And I think I've achieved that. I think next step is to work on the bottom half. I'm not quite sure what to do. I might do a laser etched map so players can help navigate themselves around the game, but I don't know. Any suggestions? Let me know.